This is also an old house. I think you cannot just change your style, the style of the house, right?
No.
Because it's old.
They live, these Crimeans around the castle. They're allowed to live.
They're not really Lithuanians.
No.
Trakai istorijos muziejus. Trakai kultūros sostinė. Dominican Monastery of Trakai. Is this the territory? The monastery of Trakai? This is the Christian. The Dominicans used stones and bricks of the castle for the construction of the church.
Foundation is this. This rocks is brought from a castle ruins.
Oh,
100%.
that's they stole. That's what you've been telling me earlier. So they looted. They looted the castle.
The castle was already like forgotten.
When the castle was destroyed, the people looted the castle, took the rocks and stones to build houses, foundation for their homes. So where did they get the rocks from? Huh? No, from where? Before they built the castle?
I don't know.
From somewhere.
This is my guess.
Okay.
Where are you going to get rocks? You go to the castle and take it. And build a house.
We're talking history, and you say to me, but this is my this is my guess. Oh my God! How can I believe you? You're not a credible historian.
This is, I heard from a local. Okay?
Oh, okay. This is like gossip. What is that? Plastic? What does it mean? Comunalis.
Okay. How I call it? Rest of all, how I call it in English.
The rest of the garbage. Everything else. Everything else. Oh, this is carton paper. It's nice. Don't what it does, it means stick glass. Glass, paper, and plastmasse. This is plastic. Very nice segregation of garbage. I like it. Very organized. Some announcements in the area. They post here. I wonder what this means. Maybe lost dog? Charging. This is the map. So that's the public toilet. Do you have to pay when you go inside?
50 cents.
50 euro cents.
It's clean, it's good enough. But from before. So
It's clean, good enough, but not high standard.
no.
Is that what you're saying?
Good enough to do business. Now we can go where you want. Maybe let's go back. Where is Kibinai? Let's walk a little bit.
I'm trying to get heavy.
I think we're done.
Take this, this hot.
I think we're done. Let's go back to the hotel.
When we go back to the hotel.
Do you have fever? Remove this because this is very hot.
I would like to sit down where we saw this place. Don't you want to go there? Where is Kibinai? Very nice to be here.
Yeah.
Drinks, and let's go back.
They're selling bread. Yes, because look what you're wearing. You're not drinking water?
I am. I've drunk all of Turkey has.
Oh, you're gonna get water. I wanna follow him what he does, this old man. To get water. You ask about this water. Is it free?
It's a Polish, I don't understand it.
Ah, it's Polish? To getting water. Is it free? I think it's for drinking. The free supply of water.
Geriamas vanduo?
Jo,
Oh,
visą miestą geria.
You can drink it?
yeah, city water.
Oh.
Nori imkit.
Ne, ačiū mes. Taip, dėl įdomumo.
So I want to see. Let's fill it up.
But you need to... Oh, okay. Let's see. Nieko bus ten video.
Я suprantu iš jo. Ką išpilt? Išpilt.
Oh, like that. You have like some sort of operator. Oh.
Ačiū.
Prašom, sūrumo.
Ačiū.
Tu kitaip nepaimsi.
Aha, jo, matau dabar.
O aš nešioju ten kebabam. Dirbu pas juos.
A,
Pas mane jau namo pervestas. Ir jis kasliukai stovi.
nu jo.
Na dabar nepaimsi
O
be
kur
šito.
yra kebabinė, ta prasme, senoji kebabinė?
A jau čia ant kelio ir tiesiai.
Ant kelio ir tiesiai. Aha,
Jo,
supratau.
ten rasite.
Mes kažkaip užskaitėm.
Na jie suprantu jūs, bet dabar pakeitimus visur.
Aišku. Gerai, ačiū.
Prašom.
Ačiū.
Geras dienos.
Bald and no COVID. Because he got COVID.
Aha.
You're bald, but you're not bankrupt.
Instead, you go this way and you will see this famous.
We have to rest and we're gonna be okay. Lietuva Polska. That's why a lot of Polish here.
Now, like we see in history, Lithuania and Polish is
Closely
Century.
knitted together.
it's just, I don't understand why it becomes so small.
So where are we going now?
To taste this,
Empanada.
To taste what?
kybynai.
Kibinai.
To me it looks like empanada.
What is mean Karaim etnografin
It's a
paroda
museum. It's a
Trakai.
museum. It's not a church.
It's not this
It's a
one.
museum.
Read English, it says a lot about what I'm meaning.
Karaites. So busy. Nobody's serving.
Go inside.
There are few people working. She's the parking lady. Making sure everybody paid.
This is, what's that, Kinesa?
Architecturos
Karaim,
Paminklas.
French
What is that?
place. Karaims.
Karaims
The
church.
same from 15th century, I think. They have this place.
They really settled here, the Karaims. So these Vytautas brought them from Ukraine.
And now we've
From
been
Crimea.
so open. We've been so open.
They have different style of houses.
There's 3 windows on the street. It's Karaim house.
It's two, like this one, three. There's 3 windows. 3 windows. They're Karaims. They used to be Karaims. Pilis means castle. Pilis. Nice. Oh, Norwegian. They're not.
Oh, this flag, but it's
Oh, these Karaims. Karaims.
How can you tell?
3 windows facing the street. You like here?
maybe.
You order Kibinai? Kibinai?
I order small lamb meat. Small lamb, I know.
I get it.
Beef and lamb and 2 beef pork. So 4. Maybe we should buy 3 with 4 and the rest only for tasting. But
It's enough. It's enough.
I just ordered 4 pieces.
Okay, only for tasting.
2 is different meats.
We're gonna buy another Kibinai. See the difference. We're gonna have a taste test. Oh my god. var viena.
This is the lamb.
3 lamb.
3 lamb. And 3 with pork. Good.
We call this empanada. Different names, but the same good thing. It's still hot,
Oh.
freshly baked. This is from the
Very
place where we bought
Expensive one.
the expensive one.
Trakai LITHUANIA.
From this.
Trakai LITHUANIA.
Mhm.
And this is from Kibinai.
This one.
Kibinai.
Okay. From
Okay,
where
more
we are,
cheetahs,
where we
причем
are
там,
now.
see the difference? This is like industrial, like meat, and this is homemade.
Real meat.
Real meat, chop,
Real
onion,
meat.
everything.
Uh-huh.
and
There's
you
a
see.
beef.
But it's also good.
Like from,
But I prefer that one.
yeah, also good. But
And
this
cheaper, half price.
this is €1, 150.
Yeah.
But this is more delicious.
No, 180.
180. That's what it is.
€1.
€1. Buy a lot of these.
Yeah.
More delicious. The meat is more authentic. The oven is real.
Yeah. We can show
And you
how
see how they make it. Yeah. This I recommend. No, this is from the other side. This one. This I recommend. From this place. This place. Tell me, what's your verdict?
Both are good, but I prefer Kibinai because it's cheaper and
Where we are now.
Kibinai.
The lamb is so good, tastes good. Oh my god, very nice. It's so delicious, so we decided to buy again.
Are you gonna buy another one?
Take home. Yes. Take out.